Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special device here. This is the Ozone Ozone generator. It's an O3 generator with 65,000 milligram per hour industrial ozone device for a 300 square meter of area. That means we have 120 minute timer and a 35 decibel 3 cubic meter per minute possible 80 up to 150 watt powerful Ozonizer O3 Ozone air purifier. It's an odor remover for cars, for smoke apartments, for hotels, for the kitchens, for pet odors, and so on. We use only in inanimate rooms. Really important. We close the room, we set the timer, and we leave the room. After the operation, the ventilation for 1 hour should be enough. The ozone generator generates an ozone power of 65,000 milligram per hour, ozone power, and surpasses 90% of the market products thanks to the ceramic coating technology. No filter changing is required. The ceramic coating makes the electrodes and the ozone plates more stable, more conductive, heat and corrosion-resistant, and extends the service life up to 50% compared to commercial available devices. In case of improper maintenance, the electrodes of the conventional ozone generator can wear out after only 1 or 2 years. This removable stainless steel filter captures the fine dust, PM2.5, and protects the ozone plate from dirt. The life of this device is 3 up to 5 years, depending on the use and the maintenance. The filter on top is flushable. That means we have a maintenance interval of 200 hours. The ozone production oxidizes the decomposer smoke, the animal and mold odors, as well as the volatile organic compounds. It's reliable, up to 3 times more effective than conventional air purifiers. Subsequently, the ozone automatically converts the back into oxygen without chlorine emissions and without secondary pollutions, for environmentally friendly and safe air purification. The ozone generator has a stainless steel housing, corrosion-resistant and durable, anti-slip feed, and a compact dimensions, 225 to 190 to 160 millimeter. For a stable stand and in a tight space such as a car's or a basement's, with a rotary knob from 0 up to 120 minutes, which can be set. No complicated buttons or modes. The powerful fan quickly distributes the ozone into the room, and it eliminates odor effectively, and it works quiet at the same time. We have about 35 decibel, so that's not so loud. We have a powerful ozone generator. This eliminates the almost all subborne odors and keeps the environment clean. The Ozone O3 is a strong oxidizing agent consisting of the 3 oxygen atoms. It is particularly effective for disinfection and sterilization. So you have to get this in setup, then leave the room while it is working and let it there. And for this, there is a no entry sign included. Really nice, really good. That makes a good job with the ozone generator. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Tunsun.